Hey there. Thanks for watching my Ready, Set Profits review by Jamie Lewis, Philip Johansen, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Ready, Set Profits review is based on my honest opinion of actually purchasing this product myself and logging into the dashboard. I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to check out our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now let's see what Ready, Set Profits promises us. While you can't seem to get paid, they watched their newbie student Carl make $160 a day from other people driving the traffic for him while he plays vintage Super Nintendo. Good old Carl the newbie kicked their butts at their own game. Even if you were stunted like Carl was, addicted to video games and alone without any experience, this is what happens. Your monetization is going to explode. Other people are going to drive the traffic. Consistent traffic and profits. The ultimate hack for newbies. But if we look at the video on the left, he tells us that this is going to have nothing to do with an autoresponder, a site builder, an affiliate link, or paid traffic. Keep that in mind. And if we look at his testimonials down here, Bill Ang and Jake Galbraith are not newbie affiliate marketers. Both of them are product vendors, and they have been launching products for at least 2 to 3 years each. So these testimonials are not from actual users, they're from fellow product creators. So let's take a look inside. Once you come in, you have your welcome video, and you also find out that Carl is going to be doing the rest of the training for us. They do have their upsell register for the workshop button and Carl's training button. You can proceed to next to the training from here, or you can use the left menu, either way. And Ready, Set Profits focuses around the strategy that Carl used and has found some success with. I don't have any problem with his training, and I do feel like he is trying to provide value and teach a full-blown, full-time strategy. My issues with Ready, Set Profits are going to be the sales page, because we'll come back to this again. It is very misleading, and there's a lot of extra costs in here, and stick with me because I'll be going over that as we go through the strategy. So to get started with Ready, Set Profits, we do have to talk about the strategy first. And the strategy of Ready, Set Profits is to set up a flow or a funnel or a sequence where you reward anyone who sees your page for sharing it to their audience. Their reward is being sent to an opt-in page where you collect their email and a messenger bot where you collect their Facebook, and you can build 2 lists at once. Once you've captured their email or their Facebook information, they're sent to a thank you page where they receive the bonus or the reward that you promised them for sharing. From there, you offer to reward them to share it again, so that gives them another bonus for sharing it twice. As you can see, this looks quite confusing, and it's not quite as simple as a newbie would be comfortable with. You're basically going to make 4 pages that he shares with you to use under the assumption that you already have a website, domain, and hosting. He tells you, and I will tell you, that that is a requirement in affiliate marketing. You are going to need that eventually. If that's something you need, feel free to check out our link above, or we have a link in the description below to help you get started with a free starter affiliate marketing website. I'm not going to count that as an extra expense as we continue to go through here. But you will need the website, domain, and hosting so that you can download 3 plugins, one of which being Yoast, and that's free. The second one, Duplicate Page, which is also free, but the third one is Thrive Themes. And there's nothing wrong with that because we use it ourselves, but there is a cost. To download the templates of these pages that he's giving you to use, you will need a Thrive's Theme account. If we look at the pricing, that's going to cost you $90 quarterly or $228 yearly. He does have a link in here for you to get Thrive for $5, but it is no longer active, so it's not helpful. Then he talks about the welcome email and the mini chat or messenger bot sequence. He tells you, and I will tell you, if you are in affiliate marketing, you are going to need an autoresponder. If you guys are interested in a free version with Aweber, feel free to use our link in the description below. There are plenty of autoresponders out there, and you're going to need one of those. So I'm not going to include that in the extra costs either, but you will need a mini chat account. If we look at the pricing for mini chat, you can get started for free, but eventually you will have to pay $15 a month if you want to use this strategy. The page that he wants you to share, here is an example. If we look down at the bottom, he requires you to do 2 steps. First, you have to share. And this is how you would get other people to share your content. This bonus is going to need to be worth it for them to share it to their audience. Next, you would click here, and that takes you to the opt-in page where you will collect the email address. It also takes them to the messenger option so they could give you their Facebook information as well. And here you find out that you will be promoting Unfair Advantage with the review and sales page that he provides you. If we take a look on Munchai at Unfair Advantage, you are going to have to request permission to promote this affiliate product, and approval is not guaranteed. If you don't get permission to promote this and get an affiliate link, Ready Set Profits isn't going to work. You'll have to make a whole new sales page and review page because this one won't work for you. Now, to be able to track who has shared and who hasn't, you will actually need an Up Viral account. And you can start for $1 on any plan, but after that, it will be $49 a month just for the starter plan. So not only do we have Up Viral at $49, we have Mini Chat at $15, Thrive Themes at $90 for every 3 months. And then we find out that his recommended traffic source is actually solo ads. Solo ads can be very costly for very little return. His second favorite traffic suggestion is a Google extension that he gives you that is extremely similar to Orb, which was actually put out in September by Jake Galbraith. So he wrote him a testimonial because he's using his product in his software. What this is a bot that crawls through Instagram and Twitter, and you can set it to automatically follow an influencer's followers. I have found that is not a great strategy. It requires a lot of work and time and maintenance, so beware if that's something you decide to use. His least recommended traffic strategy is Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. And this is because he knows the 5 truths about social media that product vendors don't tell us. And I've got that linked above if you'd like to know more about that. And the section on Quora, he doesn't even teach that. He actually uses somebody else's video and just embedded it in his training. And that's another part of his training that I don't actually agree with. He says several times that you can just take anybody's video and use it anytime in any way. There are actually restrictions on that. So know your rules and regulations so you don't get your accounts banned. He does give you a few videos on how to actually create your own promotion, an advanced viral campaign using Up Viral as well, and then his bonus library. The next section is going to be traffic sources. If you're interested in solo ads, you could get to Udemy from here, and most of these are going to have a cost. You have Google ads, Bing ads, Medium, and none of that has anything to do with the training either, so it doesn't make sense that it's even here. Next, you have a copy spinner. They do give you the option to download some email swipes. And if we take a look at these, they're from 2015. So they give it to you in the spinner so that you can rewrite it. But truth be told, with article spinners, you often spend more time editing than you would have to rewrite it yourself. So I don't recommend using an article spinner. So what are some of the problems that I see with Ready Set Profits? First of all, the sales page is extremely misleading. We know we need an autoresponder to run this. We know we're going to need a site builder. We're going to have to pay for it. You're going to have to get an affiliate link to sell a product. Their preferred traffic is actually solo ads. So this sales page right off the bat is absolutely misleading. Carl isn't a newbie. He's been using this specific method for at least a year based on the dates on the training. So it's taken him a year to make $160 a day from other people. This isn't going to be a fast strategy. It's going to be a lot of work for a newbie, a lot of places to make mistakes, and it's going to be really hard to find help to fix them. You're also going to need really good bonuses if you expect people to share your pages. And if you want to do this more than once, you're going to need a lot of really good bonuses. They also assume that you have a website, domain, and hosting, as well as an autoresponder, which again, to be honest, you are going to need. And don't forget, we do have some links in the description below to help you get started if you need that. But then they also assume that you have an extra $90 every 3 months, $15 a month, $49 a month to use the extra platforms they expect you to use to get started with Ready Set Profits. So on the front end, Ready Set Profits seems like it could be a good deal at $17, but not with all of those extra costs. Upsell number 1 is going to be $29. Upsell number 2 is the done for you at $197. Upsell number 3 is $59. Upsell number 4 is $97. Upsell number 5 is another $97. Upsell number 6 is $67. And upsell number 7 is $197. All total, your Ready Set Profits funnel is going to run you $730. And don't forget, we've got a total of $282 for your first 3 months for your subscriptions for UpViral, ManyChat, and Thrive, plus the money they expect you to pay for your solo ads. That's really expensive, and then have to buy everything else that goes with it. This is going to take a lot of time, money, and constant, consistent effort on your part to make this full-blown, full-time strategy work. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Ready Set Profits review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching!